All right, so let's jump in now to Outlook on the web. Now, apologies, I know this is a little bit small, so if you're squinting right now, it's not your eyesight. It is a little bit small on my screen. And unfortunately, I can't zoom this easily during the live stream, so you're just going to have to bear with me and I'll talk you through it. So same deal in here. I'm using a category, a waiting for and a follow-up category. But you can set it up a little bit different here. There's a couple of ways to do it. So in terms of creating those categories, on your home tab in the categorize section, if you go into all categories, you can actually either rename existing categories or you can create new ones. So I just chose the red for follow-up and the blue for waiting for, whatever works for you. So you can configure that in here. So now I've got two things happening. One is in my favorites list on the left, I've actually got the category listed and I'll show you shortly how I did that. And then what I'm actually doing is I've got this inbox view here set up. So what that actually is in the view section, I have turned on the categories option, which means it shows my categories in the inbox. And then what I've done on the far right, and I know it's tiny, but I've actually clicked the little sort arrow and made it go Z to A. So it puts my two key categories on the top, my waiting for and follow up, and then all my rest of my messages underneath that. So that's how that works for me. Now, in terms of setting up these little things in the favorites, because you don't see your categories natively here in the left list of folders on the left, you need to set it up as a search folder. And how you do that is down the bottom, you should see search folders. You can just right click and go new search folder. You can also do it, I think, on the search menu. So I went into there, scroll down a little bit, and I'm looking for a search folder that has categorized mail. I go in and choose whichever category I want. So that will, so if I go, for example, yellow, that will then create here a, oh, where's it gone? It's not popped up. Don't you love that? Oh, there it is. Sorry, I didn't name it. It's just called categorized mail, so you've got to actually name it. So I did a mistake there, did the wrong thing, but that's okay. What I can show you from here, once you've created that search folder, you just right click it and then you can say add to favorites and it will come up to the top there. Okay, so that is it for today. I'll just turn off my screen share and my camera should come back on and I can see you guys. So thank you so much. I hope that helps you with organizing your email. As I said, we'll put links to blog posts below this video. If you've got any questions, you're welcome to leave a comment there. I'm happy to come in and answer it. So thanks for watching 10-minute tips over to you with using technology better. Mike, our boss, will be back tomorrow. A Good Friday special. He's going to talk about keeping your tasks organized. So thanks so much for watching.